Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add location to Facebook page. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to switch your account with Facebook page where you would like to add location to. In order to do so, tap on your profile icon along with the three line from the upper right corner. Once you land on this menu page, now on your profile name, you will get an option to switch your account to Facebook page. So tap on that. And once your account has been switched to your Facebook page, you will land on this page. Now tap on the profile icon of your Facebook page that you will get under the home icon at the left hand side. So tap on that. Then you will land on this interface. Here scroll down a bit and under the account name you will get an option as post, about, photos and more. Among that, tap on about, scroll down a bit and again under page transparency tap on edit public details. Then you will be taken to edit page. Here scroll down again and under details you will get an option as address. Tap on address and under contact info you will get add your address. So tap on add your address and here add your street, add your city, add your zip code, and you can also add the map location. And after you do that, simply tap on save option and your location will be added to your Facebook page. And that's how you can add location to Facebook page. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.